Mpenzi mtazamaji, karibu sana kwenye Sky Cable TV Kenya. Sky Cable TV Kenya is a go-to channel for a message of hope and encouragement.
Mwathani arogoshwo haria hothe urajirorera ndiguku mitambo-ini ya Sky Cable TV ngithie na mbere na morutani ma kiugo kia Ngai.
Subscribe now to our channel to start enjoying our wide range of amazing content. Subscribe now and start enjoying spiritual nourishment from pastors and bishops. Subscribe and start enjoying eye-opening counseling on marriage and relationships. Subscribe and start enjoying beautiful music. Subscribe and start enjoying some rib-cracking comedy and more.
Supreme Court.
Na njukite guku ni undu wa kwenda kuumiriria ngoro cia andu aria magikorwo moritwo ni hinya mahote gucokwo ni thayu na mahote guthii na mbere na muturire
na kwaria ni kwendana na kuo kwendana niguo thayu ri koguo nikio tuoka ringi nigetha tuhane uhoro sararuko tutikuhitha tukwaria uria Ngai atwirite na tutiukite hi nigetha tukuonererie we uria ui na uria tui riu tuokire kiondo-ini kimwe maundu magacire na moke wega ni tondu Ngai witu ni atutuma.
Ageni ne mogeithio ageni ne mogeithio ne mogeithio ageni ne mogeithio ne mogeithio ageni ne mogeithio ageni ne mogeithio ne mogeithio ageni ne mogeithio ne mogeithio.
We also offer the following services: wedding coverage, photography, videography, advertisement, production, branding and design, events coverage, and send-off coverage. And here is our contact info. Thanks for watching. Share this video and subscribe now to our channel.
Should stay, I will be in your way, so I'll go, but I know I'll be stable the way. And I will always love you. I will always love a sweet memory, that's alright, I'm taking with me. Goodbye, please don't cry, 'cause we both know they'll know what you need.
and I will always love you. I will always love you. It is memory. That's all I'm taking with me. Goodbye. Please don't cry, 'cause we both know that I'm not what you need, and I will always love you. I will always love you. Life treats you kind, and I hope that you have all you dreamed of. I wish you joy and happiness, but above all this, I wish you love, and I will always love you. I will always love you. Will always love you. Guess as a lover, I have a way to go. When someone wants you, they should just say so. You'll understand if you take my hand, then we can dance little slow to something on the radio. Listen to the radio. Oh, listen to the radio. Let's spend the night together. Baby, don't go. There's something on the radio. Listen to the radio. Oh, listen to the radio. Let's spend the night together. Baby, don't go. They're singing on the radio. I try to find a way to explain to you what's on my mind, and that sounds so brave. You realize if you tell right the feeling my words can show. They're playing on the radio. Now Listen to the radio. Oh, listen to the radio. Let's spend the night together. Baby, don't go. They're playing on the radio. Listen to the radio. Oh, listen to the radio. Let's spend the night together. Baby, don't go. They're singing on the radio. I try to find a way to explain to you what's on my mind, and that song so brave. You realize if you close your eyes, the feeling my words can show. They're playing on the radio. Listen to the radio. Oh, listen to the radio. Let's spend the night together. Baby, don't go. They're singing on the radio. Now listen to the radio. Oh, listen to the radio. Let's spend the night together. Baby, don't go. They're singing on the radio. Let's spend the night together. Baby, don't go. They're singing on the radio. Let's spend the night together. Baby, don't go. They're singing on the radio. Wow. This is great. This is great. This is great. Today is on a Friday once again. It is our routine that every Friday we are here bringing you the springs of country and bringing you something that you love most, something that will make your evening. With me, Dan the Sheriff, and my friends, the guitarist here, Philu, and the pianist here, Blues, the pianist. We are so grateful together with the band. We are so grateful to be here. And again, we welcome you here. So take your phone now. If you are not watching, or if you are watching, just share to your friends. Make sure that you share this show to your friends. Let them also enjoy. The way you are enjoying to hear this cool music, let them also enjoy with you. And I hope, we always say that it's not good to be mean. It's just share and share and share. Because when you share, you care for that other person. Again, with me, Dan the Sheriff, the show is Springs of Country. Enjoy and praise your requests there. We will pray for you. Any kind of song that you want us to pray for you, we are going to pray for you. And also, any comment that you want to comment, just feel free. Put your comment there. And again, put your comment and put your request, and we will play for you any song that you want. We are here for you. We are here to give you anything that you want. At the moment, we are going to do one of the songs that we love most. Is a prayer song that we always play whenever we are here, because we know that God has kept us and God has given us this other chance. So it's a song done by Don William. Lord, I hope this day is good. That is an anthem for this show. We always do that song. I think every show we do that song because it is our anthem. Lord, I hope this day is good. this day is good. I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good. Lord, have you forgotten me? I've been praying to you faithfully. I'm not saying I'm a righteous man, but Lord, I hope you understand. I don't need fortune and I don't need fame. Send out the thunder, Lord, send out the rain. Father, when you're planning just how it will be, plan a good day for me. Lord, I hope this day is good. I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good. You've been the king since the dawn of time. All I am asking is a little less crime. You never had for the label to do. It will be easy for you. Lord, I hope this day is good. I'm feeling empty and misunderstood. I should be thankful, Lord, I know I should. But Lord, I hope this day is good. Keep trying not to love you, but I'll love you anyway. We should be together, together. We should be walking side by side. We should be together, together, keeping each other satisfied. I've come to need your company. What will I do if I can't have you? If I can't have you, what will I do? We should be together, together. We should be walking side by side. We should be together, together, keeping each other satisfied. We should be together, together. We should be walking side by side. We should be together, together, keeping each other satisfied. Train bound for nowhere, met up in the gabber. We were both too tired to sleep, so we took time and stayed at the windows of the darkness. The bottom overtook us. He began to speak. He says, "Son, I'm in my life, covering people's faces, knowing what they can't do. the way they hit they lie. So if you don't mind me saying, I can see you out of ashes for a taste of your whiskey. Give you some device. So I handed in my bag, and it ran down my last swallow. Then he bound a cigarette and left me for the night. Then I got quiet. His face lost all expression. Said if you're gonna play the game, boy, you're gonna run to pray, run. You got know when to hold him, know when to fold him, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you're sitting at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the deal is done. Every gabber knows the secret to surviving is knowing what to throw away, knowing what to keep. Cause every hand's a winner and every hand's a loser, and the best that you can hope for is to die in the sleep. So when it finished speaking, turn back for the window, flash out the cigarette, faded off the street. Somewhere in the darkness, Gabra he broke it. In his final words I found a nest the light would keep. You got to know when to hold him, know when to fold him, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you sing at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the deal is done. You got to know when to hold him, know when to fold him, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you sing at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the deal is done. You got to know when to hold him, know when to fold him, know when to walk away, know when to run. You never count your money when you sing at the table. There'll be time enough for counting when the deal is done. His mama named him Tommy, folks just call him Yellow. But something always told me they were reading time is wrong. You got to know when to hold it, when to fold it, when to walk away, when to run. You never back to the years I go wandering once again. The seasons of my youth, I recall the box of legs someone gave us, and how my mama pulled the legs to you. They were legs of many colors, every piece was small, and I didn't have a coat. It was way down to four. Mama sewed the legs together, so every piece with love. She made my coat of many colors. The love was so proud of. And she told a story from the Bible she has read about the coat of many colors. Just a four, and then she said, perhaps this coat will bring you good luck and happiness. And I just couldn't wait to wear it, and Mama blessed with a key. My coat of many colors that my mama made for me, made only from lace, but I wore it so proud. Although we had no money, was rich as I could be, in my coat of many colors Mama made for me. So with patches on my breeches and holes in both my shoes, in my coat of many colors I hurried off to school, just to make the others laughing and making fun on me, in my coat of many colors Mama made for me. Although I didn't realize, for I felt I was rich, and I told them of the love my mama saw in every state. And I told them of the story Mama told me why she saw, and how my coat of many colors was worth more than all gold. They didn't understand it, and I tried to make them see. One is only poor, only live to choose to be. Although we had no money, was rich as I could be, in my coat of many colors Mama made for me. My coat of many colors that my mama made for me, made only from lace, but I wore it so proud. Although we had no money, was rich as I could be, in my coat of many colors Mama made for me. Tango, tango, fancy shoe, that dancing time. Oh, the secret of her dark eyes made it seem a gypsy ride. Yellow clover and tangled blossom in the meadow of silky green. Why she had me her bosom, just a boy of 17. I recall a gypsy woman, silver spangles in her eye, ivory skin against the moonlight, and the taste of life's sweet wine. I recall gypsy woman, silver spangles in her eye, ivory skin against the moonlight, and the taste of life's sweet wine. Oh, the pain of loving you, oh, the misery I go through, never knowing what to do. Oh, the pain of loving you, oh, the pain of loving you. You just can't stand to see me happy. Seems you hurt me all you can. Oh, the pain of loving you. Oh, the misery I go through, never knowing what to do. Oh, the pain of loving you. To love and hate the same time, the lovely between the two is fine. The two have bound me heart and soul, so strong and I can let you go. Oh, the pain of loving you. Oh, the misery I go through, never knowing what to do. Oh, the pain of loving you. The day I met you, my heart spoke to me. It said to love you through eternity. Now knowing that you're another's bride, I vowed I'll always stay close by you, son. You know I love you and I always will. I know you married, but I love you, see. You broke a heart that was dying for you. I gave this love to belong to you. Now knowing that you're another's bride, I vow I'll always be close by you, son. You know I love you and I always will. I know you married, but I love you still. The Milky Way upon the heaven, we just drink green for you. And Mr. Moon, he came back to say goodnight to you. I sing for you, I sing for mine. We're praying for the road and for the people everywhere. Gonna show them glory. Oh, my sleeping child, the one so warm, but you built your own paradise. That's one reason why I'll cover you, sleeping child. If all the people along the road, they have the mind like you, we had no fighting and no war, they'll be blessed in peace. Oh, if all the kids and all the leaders could see you here this way, we hold the earth in their hand, we learn to love you. Hey, oh, my sleeping child, the one so warm, but you beat the road. Paradise, that's one reason why I cover you, sweet child. Oh, my sleeping child, the one so warm, but you beat the road. Paradise. That's one reason why I'll cover you sleeping shore. Wow, that song by the name My Sleeping Child. I see you, Juguna Jones. You're saying that you are tuned, and you say that Buy Me a Rose, it come through. So he's requesting a song that is done by Ken Rogers, Buy Me a Rose. Eliud Kimani, Aul Baba Shiro, kama kawa kama dawa, ndio sisi hawa. Asante sana, karibu sana. Rose Praiser, you're saying that kondani sana. And Esther Cobra, you're in. Shiroga Saika in. Maura Teach Erija, say that you are tuned. Pray for me, Dory Patton. I know you are married, but I love you still. I think we have prayed that song for you, so I hope you have enjoyed that song. I know you are married, but I love you still. It is a song that has it carries a great message. And I know you are married, loving somebody that is already married. Philu and Blues, loving somebody that is already, you know that that person is married, and then you end up loving that person. I think that's not a normal love. It's not a normal love, because how can you love somebody that you surely know that that person is married? But you are saying that I know you are married, but I love you still. I still love you. So if you get a chance, you will end up taking that person away from the lover, which is, I think, it's not. And Ken Rogers, one day, Ken Rogers sang a song that love is strange, and it's true. If this person is loving somebody that is married, then love is strange. And this is what Ken Rogers say, just to highlight that. Oh, love is strange. That's what he said, that love is strange. And he say, hey, it's a very beautiful song that I think we will do it next time. We will sing that song for you. Love is strange. And you see what it's a song that they sang, Ken Rogers and Dory Parton. And there is somewhere that they say that, oh, cowboy, tell me, what will you tell your lover girl? And they say, come here, lover girl. It's a very beautiful song. We will pray. We'll do that song next time. Love is Strange, done by Ken Rogers. So this song that was requested by Mwaura has reminded me about that song, that Love is Strange. MC Dex, you're saying that Thika is locked. Thika is locked. John Steve, please pray for me. Don't let me cross over by Dolly Parton. We are going to do that also for you, John Steve. And you say tuned as usual from Georgia. John Steve, you say that he's tuned from Georgia. So we are going to do Don't Let Me Cross Over, and another song that by Me a Rose. So we start by this song by Me a Rose, and it goes like this. He works hard. Yeah, see. He works hard to give her all he thinks she wouldn't. 3-car garage, her own credit card. He pulls in late to work around with a kiss goodnight. If we could only read her mind, she said, buy me a rose, call me from work, open that door for me. What would it have? love me, but the look in your eyes. These are the little things I need the most in my life. The days I've grown, 2 years of feeling all alone. She can't help but wonder what she's doing wrong. Maybe she try anything to turn his head. Would it make a difference if she said, buy me a rose, call me from work, open the door for me, what would it hurt? Show me you love me, but then look right. These are the little things I need the most in my life. Buy me a rose, call me from work, open the door for me, what would it hurt? Show me you love me, but the look in your eyes. These are the little things I need the most in my life. Most in my life. It is sung by Kenny Rogers, Buy Me a Rose, Call Me from Work. And that is a wife that's telling her husband that it's not just a must to buy me expensive things, give me anything I want. You have bought me so many things. But later he says, I don't need all that, because love does not need all those things. He said, just buy me a rose. That is enough. And another thing, just call me from your work. Tell me, please open the gate for me. I'm coming, open the gate. And that's what most of the women like. When you as a husband, you call her, and maybe you are telling her, please, darling, I'm coming home with my horse. Please open the gate for me. And she loves that. Anytime that you go home not empty-handed. And last time we said that being called a handsome man, blues, being called a handsome man does not mean that how beautiful you are. No. Being a handsome man, it means that you are going home with something in your hand. That's the meaning of a handsome man. Not going empty-handed. Whenever you have something in your hand that you are taking maybe to your wife, to your lover, to your family, to your children, that is the meaning of a handsome man. You have something in your hand. So he said that buy me a rose. So the next song we are going to pray has been requested by, I think, John Steve. He's saying that pray for me, don't let me cross over. Don't let me cross over. It is a song that was done by Dory Parton. And also, it's a love song. Don't let me cross over. Love cheating line. Yes, don't let me cross over. You have another person, but please do not let me cross over, because I loved you most. I loved you much. Don't let me cross over. Don't let me cross over. Love cheering round. I'm tempted, my darling, to steal you away. Don't let me cross over. Stay out of my way. You know that I love you, and I'm not a steady man. Don't let me cross over. Love cheating round. Don't let me cross over. Love cheating round. You belong to another and can never be mine. I know one step closer will be heaven divine. Don't let me cross over. Love cheating love. I've tried to forget you, but what else can I do? When your eyes keep saying that you love me too, I know if I lose you, no our dreams will lie again. I don't want to cheat you, but I can't help myself. Don't let me cross over. Love cheating round. You belong to another and can never be mine. I know once a closer will be heaven divine. Don't let me cross over. Love cheating round. Don't let me cross over. Love cheating round. In a Torino, across from the depot, on a bus too, she took off hurrying. Thought I'd get closer, so I walked on over. I sat down and asked her the name. When the drinks finally hit her, say I'm not queer, but I finally quit living on dreams. I'm hungry for laughter, and he'll ever laughter. I'm after whatever the other life brings. In the meal I saw him, and that grocery watched him. Thought how he made out of praise. He came to the woman who sat there beside him. He had a strange look on his face. Now his big hands were collapsed, looked like a mug. For a minute I thought I was dead, but he started shaking, his big hand was breaking. Then he turned to the woman and said, "You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucy, with 4 hungry children and a corpse in the field. I've had some bad times, been through some sad times. This time your hunting won't hit. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucy." After he left us, I ordered more whiskey. Thought how she made him look small. From the lights of the barroom to rented hotel room, we walked without talking at all. how she was a beauty, but when she came to me, she must have thought I lost my mind. 'Cause I couldn't hold all the word that I told her, kept coming back time after time. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucy, with 4 hungry children and a crops in the field. I've had some bad times, lived through some sad times. This time you're haunting good here. You picked a fine time to leave me, Lucy. Heavy roaring, God knows I've tried. Isn't enough fool away in a country boy's life to look in the mirror in total surprise at the hair on your shoulder and engine you are. I'm in the light of my life. Fit should make a gentleman's life. I'm in the light of my life. Fit should make a gentleman's wife. There's a measures of people don't understand the pressures of life in hippies man. I got my first girl when I was 14. Now I'm over 30 and still wearing jeans. I'm in the light of my love. Fate should make you a gentleman's wife. I'm in the light of my love. Fate should make you a gentleman's wife. I'm in the light of my life. Fate should make you a gentleman's wife. I'm in the light of my life. Fate should make you a gentleman's wife. Wow, somebody by the name Muthogo Moiro. Wow. You're saying that following up with you, country music is country music or country music. Wow. Country music. Mudhoni Soka by Ken Waka. I can do that song for you, okay? And you are saying that Salimia Jeshiothe ya Pick ya Juja Denderu Roiro kwa Maiko Kigumo Kiganzo Embu Amurudoro Kiga Kaireine Wangoi na Usik. Wow. Tell them to enjoy the music. That is great. Thank you, Mobogo, for what you for your comment. And we are going to do the last song because I see that time is not on our side. So we are going to do the last song. Then we meet again here next Friday. God wishes. So the last song we are doing is Sina Makosa. It was done by a legend, Les Wanyika. Sina Makosa, a very great song. zilizopendwa. Hasila za nini we baba? Sina makosa, wataka kuniua bure. Sina makosa we, wataka minife. Sina makosa, wataka kuniua bure. Sina makosa we, wataka minife. Hasila za nini we bwana? Hasila za nini we bwana? Nataka kuniua bure baba, nataka kuniua bure mama. Ni wako na mesi wangu, chuki ya nini kati yangu mimi na wewe? Yule si wako na misi wangu, chuki ya nini kati yangu mimi na wewe? Nasema sina makosa, wataka kuniua bure. Sina makosa we baba, sina makosa, wataka kuniua bure. Sina makosa we wataka. Mimi na wewe, nasema sina makosa bana, sina makosa we baba. Yule si wako na misi wangu, chuki ya nini kati yangu mimi na wewe? Nasema sina makosa baba, sina makosa we mama. Wewe